A Tripura named Sintai Debbarma was beaten up by his neighbour and injured on accounts of fixing the electrical line. He was taken to the Telemura hospital after the incident by the fire service personnel. Incident took place at Hatai Kotor Khamtingbari area on Saturday night.
There was a clashes between two families of Hatai Kotor Khamtingbari on Saturday night because of fixing of electrical line. In the incident, a Tripura named Sintai Debbarma was injured badly because he was beaten up by his neighbors. Later, he was taken to Telemura hospital by fire service department after the incident. However, Sintai Debbarma refused to speak about the incident.
Sintai. তো কোন জায়গাতে পারিবারিক ঝামেলা রেখে আপনারা এখন নিয়ে গেছেন নাকি কয়জন ইনজুর্ড কয়জন
After the incident, Telemura police arrived at the location after they got the information of the clashes between two households. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.